there, wonderful viewer, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to make cornbread and thinking about the measurements and all whatnot? This is a simple cornbread recipe. Stay tuned as I show you step by step how to go about it. If you're new to my channel, I'm saying very warm welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family as I upload videos every Saturday. Okay, so before we waste any more time, let's get into it. So for a cornbread recipe, we need 2 boxes of jiffy cornbread mix. Okay, some buttermilk. We're going to use 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. We have 3 eggs at room temperature. We have butter. Okay, you can use salted butter or unsalted butter depending on you. Okay, and these are the measuring cups I'm using for my buttermilk. So first things first, we're going to put in a separate bowl the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients in a separate bowl as well. For the butter, we are using 7 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and for a bar of butter we have 8 tablespoons. So we're going to take 1 tablespoon out and melt the 7 tablespoons of butter in the skillet that we're going to use. Okay, in the same skillet that we're going to use to bake. For the wet ingredients, we have 3 eggs broken. Okay, mix that up. I'm not using sugar. You can add sugar to your cornbread as well, but normally jiffy is sugary itself. So if you like sugar, you can beat the sugar with the eggs. Okay, add in your buttermilk. 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay, mix that up. So that's our wet ingredients. Okay. You can use milk as well, okay, but buttermilk tastes better. If you have buttermilk, you can use buttermilk, or you can use milk and make your own buttermilk. Okay, just by dropping in a little bit of vinegar and let it sit for some time, and there you have your buttermilk. Okay, so our wet ingredient is set. Into a separate bowl, I added my cornmeal mixture. Okay, and use your fork or your whisk to make sure there are no lumps in it. Okay, mix that up, and as soon as you're done, you drop in your wet ingredients. Okay, all of that goes in, mix it well. Our melted butter is here. I'm using the same skillet that I'm going to use to bake it in, so mix it up. Now add in the melted butter. I put it in the skillet so it can coat the skillet as well at the same time. Alright, that way it doesn't stick to the skillet when we are baking it. Okay, so add that, mix it all up, and it's done. Our mixture is all set. Okay, now into our skillet it goes. So it's all set. Shake it a little bit like that and drop it to release any of the bubbles in it. Okay, and into the oven it goes at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. At 40 minutes, check it out. If it is okay at that time and brown the way you like it, then take it out. Else leave it for another 5 minutes to get that brown color of the cornbread. Okay, there you have it. Bon appetit. So I always like mine is brown. So all you gotta do to check if it is done is put a toothpick or kind of a stick inside. If it comes out clean, you know your cornbread is set.